Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add calendar month widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on screen to see the widget below. Okay, tap widget. In widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, and okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add the month or calendar month widget. Okay, to add this, you'll have to do is tap and hold and slide to select the position. And after you select the position, release it, and that's it. We have successfully add calendar month widget on your Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.